Hello everyone. Let's fold a paper tulip today. Nowadays, over 3,500 varieties of tulips exist in the world. Red tulips symbolize love and romance. We need a sheet of origami paper for corolla and another sheet for leaves. If you do not have square papers, watch my other video and make ones. The two sheets of paper do not have to be the same size. My example is when origami papers of the same size are used. Let's fold corolla first. Place the white side in front with corners at the top and bottom. For the bottom corner to the top corner, crease the mounting fold. For the right side corner to the left side corner, crease the mounting fold. Unfold it. For the bottom right edge toward the middle line, making an angle between them, crease the mounting fold. For the bottom left edge toward the middle line, making an angle that is similar to the one on the right side, crease the mounting fold. Flip the paper. For the right side, a little bit inward. Crease the mounting fold. Let's fold the left side inward a little bit too. Crease the mounting fold. Then fold the bottom part up inward as well. Crease the mounting fold. Flip the paper. Now we are done with corolla. Let's fold the leaves. Place the white side in front with corners at the top and bottom. For the bottom corner to the top corner, crease the mounting fold. For the right side corner to the left side corner, crease the mounting fold. Unfold it. For the right side edge to the middle line, crease the mounting fold. For the left side edge to the middle line, crease the mounting fold. For the bottom corner to the top corner, crease the mounting fold. Pull the middle layer on the right side outward a little to create some angle between the stem and the right side leaf. Crease the mounting fold. Pull the middle layer on the left side outward a little to create some angle between stem and the left side leaf. Crease the mounting fold. Flip the paper. Lift the stem and glue its back to the leaves. Put the back side of the corolla in front of you. Unfold the triangle corner on the right side and glue its back. Glue the back side of the triangle corner at the bottom. Then glue the back side of the triangle corner on the left side. Turn over the corolla and put it at the top and the leaves at the bottom. Glue the corolla and the stem. Now we have a beautiful tulip. Thank you for folding a tulip with us today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make more tulips and decorate your room or your home. Please subscribe, and I hope we can do more origami together again.